Updates right ahead of the Delhi Dangal, the seizure of cash and liquor and Aam Aadmi Party canvassing material has now given a twist to the election season. Now, the vehicle with Punjab registration number plate was spotted by the Delhi police near the Punjab Bhavan at the Copernicus Mark. It was stopped by the flying squad there, as we know that the MCC is in place right after election dates were announced. And upon searching the car, the team found few lakh rupees in cash, many liquor bottles and some election material that is of the Aam Aadmi Party. Certain brochures, certain pamphlets were recovered. The car also had a sticker of Punjab Sarkar that was stuck. As far as when it comes to questions that are now being raised, especially when it comes to the recoveries, the BJP has now taken on the Aam Aadmi Party directly. BJP's Parvesh Verma has slammed Arvind Kejriwal after this mega cash haul and liquor haul that is now being done. BJP is now seeking the Election Commission directly to take against the Aam Aadmi Party. Let's listen in.
जब ANI ने उसको ट्वीट किया, एक बार वो वीडियो दिखा दीजिए जरा।
Well, Parvesh Verma there, of course, he's contesting from the New Delhi seat, and as far as questions that are now being raised over the BJP directly, because he seems to be questioning Aam Aadmi Party and Arvind Kejriwal himself. Now, the seizures, what all has now been recovered on part of this action initiated by the Delhi police, it has now been kept with the police station there at Talang Marg, and what has now been coming in as far as the BJP now taking on the Aam Aadmi Party. We have seen the previous reactions that came in from BJP's Amit Malviya as well, saying that this seems to be a desperate attempt to rig election.
की C-Vigil साइट पर जाइए और वहां पर कंप्लेंट कीजिए। अगर आपके मोहल्ले में बहुत सारी पंजाब की गाड़ियां आती हैं और वहां पे आम आदमी पार्टी का पटका पहने बहुत सारे उनके कार्यकर्ता आते हैं, तो कृपया C-Vigil ऐप पर जाइए और वहां पर उसकी कंप्लेंट कीजिए। कोई भी आपके मोहल्ले में अगर आम आदमी पार्टी के लोग पैसा बांटते हैं, तो कृपया इलेक्शन कमीशन में या वहां की स्थानीय पुलिस को कंप्लेंट कीजिए। और मैं अरविंद केजरीवाल जी से भी कहना चाहता हूं कि कृपया दिल्ली के चुनाव में दिल्ली को आप पहले से ही बहुत ज्यादा बर्बाद कर चुके हैं, दिल्ली को खत्म कर चुके हैं, दिल्ली को लूट चुके हैं। और ज्यादा खराब मत करिए, चुनाव को शांतिपूर्वक ढंग से लड़िए। जैसे हर पार्टी हर चुनाव देश में लड़ती है, वैसे ही आप अपने मुद्दों को बताइए, आप अपने जो आपने काम किए 11 साल में उनको बताइए, मगर ये दिल्ली की शांति व्यवस्था को भंग मत करिए। बहुत